Ready to rise from the dead in style? With Breakup-proof liquid eyeliner, draw a jagged line down half the face. Fill the lower half with white UV paint pot. Create a black circle around the eye with a Smokey paint palette. Set the face with the Zombie Apocalypse contour. Contour the eye, cheek, and mouth with the Hallow-Queen paint palette and Zombie Apocalypse contour. Apply Eerie Onyx matte lipstick. Draw teeth with Breakup-proof liquid eyeliner. Use Hallow-Queen and Boogie Nights palette to shade. Apply Bone to Shine and Chill to the Bone gem face mask. Highlight the center of the eye with shimmers from the Hallow-Queen palette. Line the waterline with Breakup-proof gel eyeliner. On the other eye, create a purple smoky eye using the Hallow-Queen and Boogie Nights palette. Outline the nose with pink Fizz metallic eyeliner. Highlight with the Hallow-Queen palette. Draw a thick wing with Breakup-proof eyeliner. Add So Defined mascara and pink Dolly lashes. Finish with pink Sorcery glitter body illuminator for extra shine. Slay the night with this killer look.